Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Celestia crypto. It's easy to get this done. We're going to be using a centralized exchange. The centralized exchange in this video is OKX. So once you've installed the OKX, please make sure you have an account. If you don't have an account on OKX, use our link in the description to stand a chance to claim $10,000 worth of mystery boxes when you register and verify your account. So guys, the next step to buying some of the crypto is head over to the deposit option on the screen here. You could either deposit cryptocurrency or you could deposit fiat by selecting the P2P trading and buying your crypto. That's you're buying your crypto using your Visa card or your MasterCard. So basically you're using your cards to buy crypto. Now, if you have crypto outside of the exchange, all you need to do is hit the deposit option. Simply search for any cryptocurrency you have. I already have some ORDI on my wallet, so I could simply deposit this ORDI here. And once I've deposited the ORDI on my wallet, in order to get the Celestia crypto, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the funding or trading, depending on where your crypto is stored. We're doing this so we can have a look at all the amount of crypto we have. And once you've taken this into account, head to the home section, click on the icon at the top left, select the convert icon. Once you selected convert, where we have ORDI, in place of Bitcoin, simply search simply search for TIA. That's the Celestial. Simply search for USDT. Click on USDT, click on max and click on preview conversion and simply convert. Once you've done this, head over to the trade icon at the bottom of the screen. It's just here, and where we have TIA USDT, simply click on that TIA USDC and simply search for TIA. TIA stands for the Celestia token, so click on the Celestia token, enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend on it. If you could remember, at the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, we have USDT we can use for the trade. So all you need to do is enter the amount of TI you wish to buy, set from limit order to market order, and now simply click on the transfer option that's there. And now simply transfer from your funding wallet to your trading wallet so that we can buy some of the TI tokens. So once you've transferred, simply enter the amount of USDT you wish to use and simply click on buy. The minimum is 9.5, so make sure you have up to 10 USDT. And once you've done that, head over to the assets menu, scroll to the funding or the trading, and you'd find the TIA token there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.